Hello Pisces, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Imali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader and numerologist, bringing you your weekly forecast from the 14th to the 21st of January 2021. Let's quickly look at what the energies are for you. You've got the King of Pentacles and Four of Wands. So the King of Pentacles here indicates that you could be soon entering a phase where everything you touch will become gold. You have very good finances, you have a very good hold of finances, and this is something to do with your family. This is something that you will be celebrating with your family. I see a very happy fortune just ahead in time. Maybe right now you're going through a lot of financial difficulties, but I promise this will soon change for you, Pisces. On the love front, I see Eight of Swords and Ace of Swords. Eight of Swords here indicates that you could be feeling very negative about a relationship, very negative about your stance in a relationship. You could be feeling that your options are really limited. You don't know what to do. You don't know where to go. How will you ever sort out your your love life? But this is all in your mind. Trust me, if you have the mental resilience, nothing is impossible for you, Pisces. You need to have a success mindset. You will find the one you want. You will get the one you want. And there is no power that can deny this, Pisces. On to your work front, we've got Six of Pentacles and Five of Wands. So Six of Pentacles here indicates that you could be getting a loan if this is something that you want, which will end a phase where you've been really, blabbering, constantly fighting with people over your money. If this is something that is to do with your stuck money, this is the week you will be getting it, Pisces. Also could be getting some loans, could be doing some charity. If you do a lump sum amount of charity, this will also open the door for your new money flow in your life. Let's look at what your health cards have to say. You've got the Ten of Swords and Three of Swords. So Ten of Swords here indicate that you could be having chronic fatigue, burning out of your energy. You could have issues with your back problems, lack of support, issues with emotional connections that cannot be taken out, and also you could some of you could be facing renal stones, malnutrition. Also some of you could feel that there may have been some sort of a loss in your family or grief in regards to love, in regards to work, whatever it is. You will have to get through it, Pisces, and you will and things will really look up for you. The crystals for you this week is having at least 3 to 4 of yellow aventurines, or you can have a yellow citrine tree or an aventurine tree, whatever is available. For Pisces who are facing back issues, I would advise you to wear an Orthoceras pendant. This is something that will really help you a lot with back issues. I have at least 15 people who've benefited out of it, and this has really worked like a magic. So if you are someone who's going through back issues, please write to us and order your Orthoceras. Let's look at the color and the advice for you this week. The advice for you this week is prosperity lies ahead. So do not worry about your finances. Everything is going to work out for you, Pisces. And the color for you is watermelon. Have fun with your inner child. Let the inner child come out. You can't do much about your issues. At least have fun in the process. And the lucky number for you is 3. So Pisces, this was your weekly forecast. I'd like to wish everybody a very happy kite flying festival. Happy Makar Sankranti to people who are celebrating it. For the rest of you, I hope this new year is being amazing and getting you a lot of happiness. Stay tuned until I get the next reading, and stay blessed.